Seventh Sense immediately, even by us. So that makes it very special, and also because of this special legendary person, Bodhidharma. సెవెన్ సెన్స్ మా కెరియర్లో చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫిలిం, వెరీ స్పెషల్ ఫిలిం. ఈ ఫిలింకి పెట్టిన ఎఫర్ట్ నేను ఏం ఫిలింకి పెట్టలేదు. ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఫైవ్ ఆస్పెక్ట్స్. వీ స్పీక్ అబౌట్ బోధిధర్మర్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఫిలిం, వీ స్పీక్ అబౌట్ డిఎన్ఏ, we speak about a circus artist, we speak about a Hollywood villain, a Chinese villain who comes out with different kind of an emotion. It's not the regular villain we are used to. He brings in a different kind of emotion in this film against the hero. And also we speak about hypnotism, which is not the regular kind of fight sequence we are used to in filming. So the whole aspect makes the entire film totally different. A lot of high points are there, and the canvas we had spent on this film itself makes it very very big and very huge. Very emotionally driven film also. It's just not fights, and it's not just not showing grandeur, but it's also binded with very strong emotion. Director Murugadas, he always sees fine details. He wants every film to be as exciting as possible, as big as possible, and as fresh as possible. First thing is entertainment for him, and of course, with entertainment, he wants to give a sensible entertainment. It cannot be like illogical or just for the sake of entertainment. Entertainment. As we had three scripts even before starting this project, Seventh Sense. We had three scripts, but because we wanted to make it special, he chose the Bodhidharma line, and the way he brought in DNA, the way he brought in hypnotism, the way he brought in Shruti's character, the scientist character, and also incorporated a circus artist in that. So everything had to, he had to work a lot for each and every character's dimension. After having very good three scripts in hand, he waited for this script to shape up for more than a year before we started shooting. So that's the kind of time he had given for the script, and that's the kind of film he wanted to give after Gajini. So this film is very very special to us. We have taken a lot of time, a lot of effort to make it as special as possible. Okay. Murugadas sir keeps saying this, repeating this again and again. Gajini Seven Sons ke Tamil ante. So it's it is very small, and Seven Sons has got that much that much detailing, and that even a stronger script is what he keeps repeating always. And of course, గజనీ తర్వాత మా ఇద్దరు కాంబినేషన్ చాలా హ్యూజ్ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ ఉంటాయి. I think we have reached it. I think we have done our best for this second chance which we have got together. And Seventh Sense has become a very special film for everyone who had seen it. So people who have not seen it, please do watch, and it will surely live up to all your expectation. జనరల్గా ఇంత పెద్ద ప్రాజెక్ట్ వర్క్ చేసినప్పుడు మొత్తం టీంకి కొంచెం నర్వస్నెస్, టెన్షన్ ఉంటుంది. బట్ ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్కి అది లేదు. వీఆర్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ అండ్ వెరీ కాన్ఫిడెంట్ విత్ ద కైండ్ ఆఫ్ స్క్రిప్ట్ వీఆర్ హ్యాండ్లింగ్, ద క్యారెక్టర్స్ వీఆర్ ప్లేయింగ్, అండ్ ద కైండ్ ఆఫ్ హిస్టరీ వీఆర్ recreating in a cinema. Murugadas sir kept saying, "Sir, I really didn't imagine we'll be doing something like this. I'm very happy with the outcome. I'm very happy the way the shooting is progressing, the way the movie is coming out." Haris Jayaraj sir kept saying, when I saw the rushes, I couldn't get Bodhidharma out of my visuals. Even after the whole film, I still remembered the the kind of visuals you had put in this film for Bodhidharma. Ravi K. Chandran sir kept saying the second half is so pacey, not even a minute to wait and think what is happening. Such brilliant screenplay is happening in the second half. Everybody had their own favorites and a lot of likable things, nice things to talk about this film. So very happy. I just want to share these things so that you can expect, just think what is going to come on screen once you sit in the theater. So get ready and don't miss Seven Sense releasing this Diwali all over. The first song, O Ringa Ringa, we had 1,000 plus dancers and 1,500 dancers. I have not done such a song before, so that makes it a very special song for me in this film. Uh, just after the 5th century is over, the 15-20 minutes or the footage is over in the film, we didn't want a sudden drop coming back to the 11th century. So he wanted a grandeur song happening. Directors have wanted a grandeur song, and we had this concept, and I think it's one of the biggest song I have done so far. And everybody is talking about this song. The music is also very special. With Haris Jarraj sir, I think I've done 7+ films, and every film's success, he's equally important for every film success in my career. So in this film also he's given wonderful, memorable songs. When the film is huge and when the film is very special, songs also become challenging. A song can't be a regular song. The situation should be special, and of course the kind of visuals, the way you execute a song also should be special. So like Gajni, if everybody liked Hridayam Ekkada Unnadi, this film it will be Mutyala Dharani. Karthik had sung this song, and we had shot in Krabi Islands. And also there is another special song by our legendary singer SPB sir, which goes like Amma Amma. Wonderful visuals. Brinda Master had done a brilliant job in that song. I think 200 or 300 plus shots in that song. And one more important factor in that Amma Amma song is everything you see in that song is a set work. It looks like a real railway station. It looks like a real subway. It looks like real tracks, but everything is a set done by our art director Rajivan. So you can just keep saying a lot of different things in this film, which we're really proud about. Ravi K. Chandran sir's visuals also speaks a lot. He'll be very kicked whenever there's a song sequence and action sequence. Very happy to work with Ravi K. sir also in this film. Magadira cinema chusaka, I was spellbound. I was speechless when I saw the film. I spoke to Rajamouli Garu, I spoke to my brother Ram Charan, I spoke to Allu Arvind Garu. It was a wonderful film, and I still remember the action sequence in Magadira, done by Peter Hain Master. And of course, Ram Charan had done a brilliant work. I still remember some of the shots which they had done, and it could not have been done in one take or a few takes. They must have really rehearsed, and Ram Charan must have done a lot of hard work for the film. So when we had the script, we thought Peter Hain Master will do, justice to the kind of script we had, because he had contacts in Vietnam, Thailand, and he knew what was happening in martial arts. Of course, in India we do have, but it is really grown there. They have a lot of techniques, and they have really kept that art very alive. So he made me go to Thailand. He gave me, like, with his school, he's got a kind of school which is happening there, and I stayed there for 20+ days. And Allu Arjun was also there when I was practicing training. He was there for Badrinath, and I was there for Seven Sense. So the kind of work we had put in this film is amazing. Peter Hain Master taught me a lot. He made me train different fight techniques which I have not done before. The regular kind of cinema fights we do is totally different, and I had to again unwind and relearn a different kind of a technique to do whatever he expected me to do in this film. So that makes the beginning sequence very special, and also the climax sequence very special. I still remember editor Anthony, he called me and he said, the climax is ready, the edited version of the climax is ready, and I really want you to come and see it. And Murugadas sir also, he's very composed, and he never expresses that much. He's always a little kind of a reserved person, and he messaged me, "Sir, climax has come out brilliant." And same time, I got a call from Anthony saying, "You have to come and watch the rushes." I have a habit of not seeing my rushes till I go for dubbing or till I see the complete version. I don't see the rushes. So I had this kind of thing in my mind, but Anthony didn't let me do that. He made sure I came to the edit suit and I saw the climax fight sequence, and I was thrilled. Uh, I had to say a bad language. I had to use a bad word and I had to clap. So that was the kind of impact Peter Hain Master created in the climax fight, and Anthony also put together a very tight kind of a fight sequence in Elam in a seventh sense. Um, Harris Gerard sir also enhanced the whole fight sequence with a brilliant background score. All this makes Seventh Sense very special. Every film can be made differently with the kind of ideas, the kind of execution a director brings into mind. Again, we keep discussing it. It is nothing big. You can just see, four cows or four goats, and same time it will take the same time to say we need four helicopters, we need four aeroplanes. So the director should be able to have the confidence in the script and have confidence in the team, and he should give us that kind of canvas. That happened with Seventh Sense. When we wanted to shoot in China, it was not like shooting in India. We had to work with an entirely different crew. We had to work with some 200 300 junior artists in China. We had to recreate that 5th century in China. We had to do a lot of chopper shots. We had to recreate 5th century in India, and a lot of even the fight sequence, be it this Hollywood actor who's coming to act in a South Indian film. So whatever we wanted, whatever we thought of to have in the film, everything was made possible because of Udaynidhi, Red Giant Udaynidhi Stalin, and also to promote a film and to reach the film everywhere. The kind of publicity which they do post release is equally important for a film, like producing a film. And Lakshmi Ganapathy movies, they are doing a great job there. I've been getting a lot of good feedbacks with the kind of promotion they are doing there. And of course, Diwali being a very special occasion, and I'm aware this film is releasing in huge screens and in a lot of screens. Thank you, Lakshmi Ganapathy Subramaniam Garu, for doing a great work there, promoting this film in all channels and all media. I'm very happy this film is with you, sir. And I really thank both my producers here, Mr. Udaynidhi Stalin and Lakshmi Ganapathy Film, for supporting Ela Marivu and Seventh Sense in this huge manner. Thank you so much. Every film has to get bigger and bigger. So after the huge talk about Seventh Sense and the kind of reception it's got, I have to again move a little higher. Have to live up to the next expectation which is going to happen. That will be with KV Anand sir, who's done Rangam there, and who's done Iron for Me in Tamil. We both are joining hands together, and this film Tamil title is called The Other One, which means no, it's about I don't want to again reveal the script. It's a wonderful package with again Harris Gerard sir doing the music. We have the same team who worked for me in Video Kade. This film should be next summer release, should be a May or June release, and very excited about this film. And it'll do justice after Seventh Sense. If it should be the next release, then I think this is the best script I could get. And KV Anand sir has done a wonderful job. I just got back from Russia. I'm just waiting to plan my tickets and book my tickets and be there in Hyderabad to do live interviews and live shows. So again, thank you so much for